Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can you write off home improvements on your taxes? The short answer is usually no, not in the year you make them, but the real answer is much more interesting and can save you a lot of money down the road. For most homeowners, the tax benefit of a home improvement doesn't come from a yearly deduction. Instead, it comes when you sell your house. This is all about something called your cost basis. Think of your cost basis as what you've invested in your home. It starts with the purchase price. When you make a capital improvement, you add the cost of that project to your basis. So, what's a capital improvement? It's anything that adds significant value to your home, prolongs its life, or adapts it to new uses. We're talking about a new roof, a kitchen remodel, adding a deck, or finishing a basement. These are different from simple repairs. A repair, like fixing a leaky pipe or patching a hole in the wall, just keeps your home in good working order and is not tax deductible for your personal residence. An improvement makes your home better. Here's an example of how it works. Let's say you bought your house for $300,000. A few years later, you spend $50,000 on a major kitchen renovation. Your new cost basis is now $350,000. Fast forward to when you sell the house for $600,000. Your taxable profit, or capital gain, isn't $300,000, it's calculated by subtracting your basis from the sale price. So, your gain is only $250,000. That $50,000 improvement just saved you from paying taxes on an extra $50,000 of profit. Now, many people won't even have to worry about this because of the home sale exclusion, which lets you exclude up to $250,000 of gain if you're single, or $500,000 if you're married filing jointly, as long as you've lived in the home for 2 of the last 5 years. However, keeping track of your improvements is still vital, especially if you have a large gain or live in a high-cost area. But what about getting a tax break right now? There are a few key exceptions where you can. First, there are energy efficiency tax credits. These are fantastic because a credit is a dollar-for-dollar reduction of your tax bill. Installing things like new energy-efficient windows, doors, heat pumps, or solar panels can make you eligible for significant federal tax credits. Second, there are medically necessary improvements. If you install a wheelchair ramp, widen doorways, or add grab bars for medical reasons, you may be able to deduct these costs as a medical expense in the year you pay for them. Third, there's the home office deduction. If you use a part of your home exclusively and regularly for business, you can depreciate the portion of home improvements that apply to your office space. So, the key takeaway is to keep meticulous records of every single home improvement project, including all receipts. While you probably can't deduct that new bathroom this April, that paperwork could save you thousands when you eventually sell. Always consult with a tax professional to understand how these rules apply to your specific situation. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and be sure